This is KJ4AYT. My name is Kurt, and I'm doing a demonstration of the MARSALE software. The radio is at a base station some miles from here, and what we're doing, it's a MyCom 2 system running on a laptop, and we're in the channel mode on the MyCom. We're in an H2 Hummer, and we're at the beach. And we're using an iPad 2, and we're running Splash Top as a remote control capability over the internet. What we've got is a smartphone that we've set up as a hotspot, and we've brought up the Splash Top software, and we're now controlling the radio at the base station from the beach. And of course you can do this anywhere that you have internet access. What you're looking at is the MARSALE screen, and we can see that there are some stations out there sounding. We have N2CKH in North Carolina, HB9 MHB in Switzerland, VE3DGZ in Canada, and we have N0 OQA in Minnesota. So what I wanted to do was to show you how we can control the radio from the vehicle or from a boat using the internet and a cell phone. What we'll do here is we'll try to contact Larry up in Minnesota. Sorry if this is shaking a little bit, but what we're going to do is just bring his call sign up, N0 OQA, and there he is right there. So we'll tap on that, and to call him, all we have to do now is click OK, and what this will do is send the key information over to the base station, and MyCom will read it, and we should get a link. So we've clicked OK, and the next thing you'll see is the transmit light coming on. Okay, we just transmitted on 28 megs, one of 8 frequencies on HF link, and now we're transmitting on 18 megs, no link on 28. And there he is. He's responding, and shortly we'll have a link. And there's the link, and we'll send him a quick message, an AMD message. Let me bring up the keyboard. Say, hi, Larry. And then we'll come over here and send that to him. And now we're transmitting to Larry, N0 OQA, and he's responding. Okay, now that we've sent our message, I don't think he's attending his station right now. Like most normal people, he's at work. We'll go ahead and break the link. And we've broken the link, and we're back to scanning. And that concludes the demonstration.